Hello. E não
So good afternoon everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe by the Almighty's grace. Okay, let us start the continuity problems. First one. The function f of x is equal to x cube minus 27 divided by x minus 3 for x is not equal to 3. F of 3 is equal to 27 at x is equal to 3. Therefore, whether it is continuous or not, discontinuous, not determined, none. It is a simple thing. Functional value is given. If it is a continuous or not, what should be this thing? The condition is LHL and RHL is equal to functional value. All these three values are equal to each other, then we can declare f is continuous. Okay, so LHL and RHL both should be calculated. Is nothing but just limit value. If you try to calculate, x tends to 3, x cube minus 27 divided by x minus 3. This value, if it is equal to f of 3, then we can say that it is a continuous. This value we can find out as this 27, we can write it as 3 cube. Therefore, we can write n into a power n minus 1 formula. We can use it to get the predicted value. 3 into 3 power 3 minus 1. This is nothing but f of 3. This is 3 into 3 square. This is 27 is equal to f of 3. Therefore, anyhow f of 3 value is 27 is given. Therefore, limit value and function value are matching. Therefore, it is 100%, it is a continuous. Okay, next. Second one, f of x is equal to 1 plus 5x whole power 1 by x is continuous at x is equal to 0. Find f of 0 is equal to dash. So f of 0 is nothing but limit x tends to 0, 1 plus 5x whole power 1 by x. Already he declared that it is a continuous. Already it is declared that it is a continuous function. If it is a continuous function, functional value should equal to limit value. So this value, if you observe 1 plus 0 whole power infinity form. See, in this case, I told you one technique yesterday. This should 2 should be multiplied. So therefore, e power 5 is equal to f of 0. Answer is e power 5. Answer is e power 5. Third one, if f of x is equal to e power kx minus 1 into sin kx divided by 4x square, where x is not equal to 0 and f of 0 is equal to 9, is continuous at x is equal to 0, then find k value. So here k value options are plus or minus 1 by 2, plus or minus none. Okay. How to do this? Find the k value. Already he said that this function is a continuous at x is equal to 0. Therefore, f of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 e power kx minus 1 divided by 4x square. So how to evaluate this? By seeing the structure, one formula we have, limit x tends to 0 e power x minus 1 by x. This value is equal to 1 log e. Okay. So with respect to this function, and one more formula you remember, sandwich theorem, sin x by x is also 1. By using these two formulas, we try to get this answer. So these are e power kx minus 1 by x I am taking here, 4x square is there, 1x we are taking, this 4 you take out, 1 by 4. This x here, kx is the k to be maintained, into k, multiply and divide by k to be taken, and here one more sin kx, so one more x you have to take here, and here also you should maintain multiply and divide by k. Now we have this value is 1 and this value also 1, so we have k square by 4. This f of 0 already it is given is 9. Therefore, k square is equal to 36. K is equal to plus or minus 6. Third option is the correct answer. Okay, now let's go with another problem. F of x is equal to tan x by x. And f of 0 is equal to 1 is first option, left continuous right continuous, continuous, none. So simple logic. Limit here f of 0 is nothing but limit extends to 1 tan x by x extends to 0 tan x by x, it is 1, f of 0 also 1, pakka it is a continuous. Limit value, function value, if both are equal, we can say that it is a continuous function. Next, the function f of x is equal to mod x by x at x is equal to 0. First one, left continuous, right continuous, continuous, none. Simple. At x is equal to 0 we want to find out. So LHL we try to calculate. LHL is nothing but limit extends to 0 minus by x. So 0 minus is nothing but x value is negative. So therefore it can be written as limit extends to 0 minus x by x. Your answer is minus 1. RHL, limit extends to 0 plus, this answer is 1. Both are not matching. So therefore does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. Next, f of x is equal to x minus step x when x is equal to 2. When x is equal to 2. So options are continuous, discontinuous, not determined, none. Simple. LHL we try to calculate. LHL is nothing but limit extends to 2 minus x minus step x. 2 minus is nothing but 1.1. Can we guess 1.9? 1.9 step x is nothing but 2 minus, can I write here like this, Therefore 2 minus 1, this is 1. RHL limit extends to 2 plus. So therefore 2 plus is nothing but, can we guess 2.1? Is 2.1. So 2 plus 2, your answer is 4. Sorry, is minus 0. Anyhow, both are not matching. Therefore, given function is not continuous or discontinuous. Okay. Next, f of x is equal to 1 plus x whole power 5x, 5 by x. F of 0 is equal to e power 5 at x is equal to 0. Same options: continuous, discontinuous. One more option: not determined, none. Simple thing, f of 0 value and limit value x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole power 5 by x. This f of 0 value is anyhow e power 5. This value is e power, this to be multiplied, I told you before, e power 5. Both are, if it is continuous. Now next problem. Fifth problem. F of x is equal to x into sin 5x divided by tan 2x into tan 7x. X is not equal to 0, 5 by 9. At x is equal to 0 is, first one, continuous, second one, discontinuous, not determined, none. Simple thing, f of 0 is equal to limit x tends to 0 x sin 5x by tan 2x into 7. It is simple, 1 into 5 by 2 into 7, f of 0 is 5 by 9. So therefore 5 by 14, it is 5 by 9 is not matching, is discontinuous. It is a shortcut, 5 by 2 into 7. In this case, we can consider, because it is in the numerator two functions are there, in the denominator two functions are there, both sine and x, sine and tan and x. Therefore, we can consider, therefore coefficients only we can collect 1 into 5 into 2 into 7. That itself is a 5 by 9 is not equal to 5 by 14. Therefore, it is a discontinuous. Okay. Next, f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 1. In the numerator mod function is there at x is equal to 2. Whether it is left continuous, right continuous, we want to check. So simple thing, left hand limit we try to calculate. Left hand limit is nothing but x tends to 2 minus x minus 1 by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus is nothing but we can consider 1.9. 1.9 minus 1, it is a positive. Therefore, we can write x minus 1 by x minus 1 gets cancelled. Your final answer is 1. Similarly, RHL value, if you want to find out x minus 2 plus mod function, if you just observe 2 plus is nothing but we can consider 2.1. 2.1 minus 1, anyhow it is again positive. Therefore, we can consider as x minus 1 by x minus 1. Answer is 1. Both are matching. Answer is continuous. Continuous function. Now, f of x is equal to 2x minus 8 for x is not equal to 4. X is f of 4 is equal to minus 1. Then f of x at 4 is dash. Options are continuous. Options are continuous. 1 second. Okay. So f of 4 is equal to limit extends to 4 2x minus 8 by x minus 4. If you want to find out this value, we should find out what is nothing but LHL. LHL is nothing but limit extends to 4 minus 2x minus 8 by x minus 4. So limit extends to 4 minus 4 minus is nothing but we can write 3.9. 3.9 it is nothing but negative. Therefore, the modulus function converts into like this. Now you substitute 2 into 4 minus 8 by minus of. So we do one thing. You just write 2 common. So anyhow, it is x minus 4 gets cancelled, your result is minus 2. RHL. RHL is limit extends to 4 plus 2x minus 8 by x minus 4. 4 plus is nothing but 4.9. It is nothing but limit extends to 4 plus 2 if you take common 2x minus 8 by just x minus 4 gets cancelled. We have positive 2. So both are not matching. Therefore LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore it is nothing but just discontinuous. Now differentiability. Differentiability. See, first of all the differentiation formulas you have to learn. What is the derivative of sin x cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x is secant square x, and so on. All the differentiation formulas you have to, once you revise it, if all the formulas there with you, then it is meaningful to attempt all the questions of the differentiation. If you don't have the command with respect to the differentiation formulae, it is meaningless to attempt or what we call revise the chapter. First of all, your duty is to recollect all the formulas reflect with respect to the differentiation. Okay, in this important things are derivative of u into derivative of v and v into derivative of u, and derivative of u by v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v divided by v square. And next, and one more thing is, if y is equal to f of x whole power g of x model, if it is given, how to do that? First of all, your duty is to attempt apply the logarithms on both sides. Then log y is equal to log of f of x whole power g of x. This g of x goes back. So g of x into log of f of x. Now if you differentiate 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to, it is UV model. So derivative of g of x into f of x. Better you by heart this structure. So this y anyhow comes here, derivative of power into base. This thing you should remember that. What you should do, for example, x power x differentiation, if anybody asked, what you should do, your derivative is equal to same y. If you take this y here, then what will happen? Again x power x into x into derivative of x into log x. Therefore, so x into derivative of plus log x into, so your answer is x power x 1 plus is the answer. X power x into 1 plus log x. Okay. For example, sin inverse x, this thing you have to by heart it better. Whenever any function f of x whole power g of x, this differentiation if you want, if this derivative of this function if you require, you should do one thing, same function you should repeat here. into derivative of g of x into log of base. This is the basic information. If you remember it, you can get the answer very easily. Otherwise, if you expand it and you will have one more structure, that structure also you can consider as a shortcut. That is a little bit for keeping memory wise, it will be little bit difficult. That's why I told you in this method better you memorize it. Okay, just a derivative of this power into log of base. Your UV model, you should expand it. Your answer is over. Okay. I am giving you sin inverse x whole power sin x. Sin inverse x whole power sin x. Same, dy by dx just you write derivative of power back into, you just write log of, khatam. You try to expand it now. Sin inverse x whole power sin x, UV formula to be applied. Sin x into derivative of this 1 by sin inverse x into derivative of this 1 by square root of 1 minus x square or plus log of sin inverse x into derivative of sin x is cos x. This is your final output, my dear lovely children. This is best method to remember this. Need not to by heart any other shortcut. General shortcut better memorize it. One more model, second model. If y is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d, then find dy by dx. It's just AD minus BC. Better you keep all the functions on left side, ax, cx, all x functions should be left side. Then you apply AD minus BC, AD minus BC, AD minus BC divided by denominator square. Derivative of x anyhow it is 1, need not write. That will be the shortcut. Okay. And one more. For example, a into f of x plus b by c into f of x plus d. In this structure, if it is given, therefore dy by dx is equal to AD minus same AD minus BC by c f of x plus d whole square into f dash x. F dash x. We will do some example. 4 into e power x minus 3 by 3 into e power x minus 4. So find dy by dx. Actually it is u by v model to be applied. It will simplification will be there. Even the shortcut, if you apply this shortcut, it is there in the form of this only, AD minus BC, that is 16 minus 9 by denominator square into derivative of e power x is e power x is the answer. Okay. Next model, if y is equal to square root of f of x, the square root of f of x, the square root of f of x, and so on, then find dy by dx is equal to dash. So it can be written as just f of x plus y, squaring on both sides, yes. Now 2y into dy by dx, if you differentiate on both sides, it is f dash x plus dy by dx. Now if you take dy by dx common, you have 2y minus 1 is equal to f dash x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. Okay, this is the best shortcut if it is given this model. I am giving you one example. Y is equal to tan x plus tan x plus tan x and so on. Straight away your dy by dx is equal to f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. F dash x is nothing but f of x. So secant square x divided by 2y minus 1. Better write like this only, it will be the answer. And one more shortcut. If any function, if it is given in the form of like this, f of x plus 1, x plus y is equal to some other value k, if it is given, then what would be the dy by dx? Your dy by dx is minus 1 always. Dy by dx is always minus 1. Let us have some problem. One problem we discuss, one example. 7 into x plus y whole square plus 8 into x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. So what would be the dy by dx? dy by dx is answer. Straight away we can write minus 1. Or else sin of x plus y and log of x plus y is equal to 8. What is the dy by dx? Minus 1, because x plus y will be common always. This x plus y is equal to 0, you just keep. What is the derivative of? Plus. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1. So the class में क्या कर तुम क्या चलते कर तुम Okay. Now let us do some problems. Y is equal to cube root x then dy by dx is equal to dash. This is y is equal to cube root x is nothing but x power 1 by 3. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1. It is in the form of x power n model. That is equal to 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3 is the answer. If you are asked to find second derivative, once again you should differentiate it. D square y by dx square is equal to 1 by 3. Again it is in the form of x power n, that is minus 2 by 3 into x power minus 2 by 3 minus 1. That is equal to minus 2 by 9 x power minus 5 by 3 is the answer. Also we can express the same structure, minus 2 by 9 1 by x power 5 by 3 or else minus 2 by 9 cube root of x power 5. Also we can express like this. Okay. One more. E power log secant x, then dy by dx is equal to dash. Here we have a one problem, one formula, logarithmic base is e and actual base also e. Both are same, we can consider y is equal to secant x. So see, a power log of x to the base a. Logarithmic base and actual base both are coincides, then your result can be considered as just a logarithmic number x only. With this sense, your y value will be secant x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to secant x tan x. Can you guess one more problem I am giving you? dy by dx a minus b cos x by a plus b cos x is equal to dash. Any guesses? Already we have done. I told you one technique regarding this. All the better you maintain, all the functions should be there in left side. Remodify as minus b cos x plus a. Here b cos x plus a. Better you modify. Better you keep all the functions on left side. Then apply AD minus BC formula. Minus BA minus BA, that is minus BA divided by denominator square into derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of cos x. So your result is minus of just like 2ab into sin x by b cos x plus a whole square is the answer. Okay, next. F of x is equal to 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x. So find f dash x. Find f dash x. So we do one thing. Many methods are there, but according to options, if you go, the options are given like this: secant square pi by 4 minus x. Second option, tan square pi by 4 plus x. Third option, secant square x. Fourth option, secant square pi by 4 plus x. So by seeing these options, we have an idea that it can be written as tan 1 can be written as tan pi by 4 plus tan x by tan pi by 4 minus tan x. It can be written as tan of pi by 4 plus x. So this total formula we can write it as tan of pi by 4 plus x. Tan a minus b formula. Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So by seeing this one, you don't disturb this. Here you can write it as like this. Have a look here. Same thing, tan pi by 4 is 1, tan x. Here 1 I written as it is. Here 1 into tan x. So tan a plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b. It can be written as tan of pi by 4 plus x. Now you differentiate. If you differentiate, secant square pi by 4 plus x is the answer. Next, y is equal to e power log 1 plus tan square x. This is the structure if it is given. Asking for dy by dx is dash. Your dy by dx here gets cancelled. 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square is nothing but secant square, that is secant x. Your dy by dx, secant x tan x is the answer. Next, y is equal to square root of secant plus tan by secant minus tan. asking for dy by dx. Simple thing. It can be written as secant x plus tan xy, secant x minus tan x. Rationalize it by it can be written as just secant plus tan x because it is a plus b, a minus b. Secant square minus tan square anyhow 1. Therefore, your final result is this thing. Now, if you differentiate secant x, tan x, secant square x. The secant x, if you take common, tan x plus secant x is the answer. Okay, next. Y is equal to sine inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. First option, minus 2 by, second option 2 by, third option 1 by, fourth option 2 by. Simple thing, put x is equal to tan theta, then what will happen? Y is equal to sine inverse of 1 minus tan square by 1 plus tan square. It is nothing but sine 2 theta. It is nothing but 2 theta. So theta is nothing but tan inverse x. Therefore, y is equal to 2 into by 1 plus x square is the answer. So 2 by 1 plus x square, second option, is the answer. So I am giving you a small homework. f of x is equal to tan inverse of 4 cos x minus 3 sin x by 3 cos plus 4 sin. Find, this is the homework. Thank you one and all.